well-being and health. What's going on? Johnny Calvin Bright here, checking in from Desideri Tide. So I just wanted to share with you what I'm having for dinner. And once again, Johnny B went to get some El Pollo Loco once again. Guys, I'm gonna tell you this right now. I think you can see that. I'll tell you this right now. This health challenge right now, I can say in the first 15 days or so, it's kicking my ass a little bit because it's forcing me to stay extremely balanced. And what I mean by that, not only balance with health, but balance with time. Because, I'm finding it that I'm not giving myself the proper amount of time to go shopping and to cook my food. I'm kind of like overworking just a little bit or just enough so that I won't have time to go cook. Now, I could have gone and cooked, or I could have went to the store and came back and cooked, but then I would have been bleeding over on my sleep time. And so it's bringing some awareness to just how unbalanced I am in certain areas. And this is just something, starting tomorrow. I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna nip it in the ass. I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna just go after it tomorrow, fix it tomorrow, start doing what I need to do to stay on track to continue to cook. Because we know that, going out is a lot more expensive as opposed to cooking one day for 2 or 3 days and spending the same amount of money as you would going out 1 or 2 days. You know, it'll pretty much saves you 20 bucks, 20 to 40 bucks easy, but in a week or so. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this dinner. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, guys. Ciao.